Alright, well, we're finally here. Finally at the river where I am going to die. Let's go. Alright, here we are at the Humber River. Now, if you're a certain girl, you know exactly where this is. I really want to, just talk again, so just unblock me on Instagram, hit me up. If you even watch this, you probably aren't. But, anyways, here we are at the river. I'm gonna go get the boat set up. There it is. I'm gonna get the boat set up. I'm gonna strip down to my underwear, and I'm gonna head down this river. That's basically the video. Oh shit, is it recording? Right, here's my hair. Yeah. Boat's like halfway there. Got the oars ready. Gonna see you guys in a few seconds, and then we'll be down the river. We are done with the boat. Boat's ready. Water's ready. I just gotta strip down, and then we'll be all set. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro now, which is on my helmet right over there, if you can't see it. And I will see you guys in just a little bit for you, a lot of bit for me. Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah. Do you see this? There's a pool. Alright, here we go. This is pretty common. This is actually really nice. Oh god. This is not as bad as I thought it'd be. This is actually really... This boat has taken on a lot of water. Whoa. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die here. In this fucking river. All because I couldn't foresight to buy a stronger boat. Actually, no, I put that up here. Stump the water out. It's taking in so much water. I'm convinced this isn't a boat anymore. This is a lot calmer than I expected. Yeah, this boat's fucking dead. This boat's donezoed. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, good. Is that a dam? No. This should get rid of some of that water. Shallow. Oh shit, my boat. There you go. Oh shit. Yeah, that's not gonna get... That's gonna stop, right? That's gonna stop, please. There goes the boat. Alright. Alright, let's find another place to go down. See if it's gonna be where you look. Hop back in. Okay, yeah, so that was kind of scary, actually. Alright, here is where I can actually drown. It's actually very deep. Look at that. See, this is fun. Ah, my asshole. Alright, I'm not doing that again. I am very tired. I still have to go to work. And there we go. This is the boat and stuff. I think I almost died during that. It was very scary. And yeah, people there were nice though. There were some people in the trail looking at me. This old guy was really good. When I lost my boat, he actually returned it to me. Oof. I don't know how long this walk is. Look at this. It's all uphill. I don't know if I'm going the right way. You know what? This is one of my first travel vlogs. Traveling from, I guess, more of an adventure really. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Probably gonna do something else dumb. But yeah. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.